quality, when you see the quality, you will feel it why you're paying the money. They have USB-C charger, the fast charger, so you can charge the USB. Now we have a dial here, and you have a multiple. In the pictures, it's going to be just a flash, the wide beam, high beam, or long throw, and also we have a UV on this flashlight. This is one of the best selling on Amazon, the flashlight, in the 2 years. I bought the 4 of them, 3 of them is dead already. Only the 1 left, and all of them has the same problem in this area. The wires breaks, and also is the LEDs dies. So not pocketable, but one of the best selling, one of the highest rating flashlight in the market, and 1 left. Reason why I'm talking about this flashlight, because the Allite just launched Arc Pro, brand new flashlight. Reason why the Allite is still one of the best in the market with the flashlights. By the price, the products, it's a lot affordable whatever they launching at the time, and most of the time the price is really comparable. Reason why, they have a lifetime warranty of every single Allite flashlight. So they sent me the email, hey Mike, we're launching the brand new Arc Pro flashlight, you want to check this out? I told them hell yeah. I think they made the mistake to do that because they say you can compare your flashlight with the Allite, right, Arc Pro, but I say I have big flashlights to compare. I didn't tell them, but we're gonna compare. We're gonna go to woods and we're gonna shine entire woods with the multiple flashlight. So this flashlights, I think the advertised is at 30,000 lumens, something like that, right? It's a big lumens, adjustable, the rechargeable, multiple, the functions. And I have a daddy of this flashlight, a lot bigger one. We're gonna compare this like a psychopaths, right? So all these flashlights, I have them, I use them a lot, but look at this Allite, the flashlight I have a multiple Allite flashlights, and this one is something else, right? As soon as you unbox it, you feel the quality, right? These flashlights, these are the new flashlights. I have like 3-4 months, no, less than 3-4 months, but I know I'm gonna use another year and a half, and these flashlights gonna be gone, it's gonna be dead. But Allite's a lifetime warranty. Reason why I have 4 or 5 Allite flashlights on my water guns, water toys, right? You guys want to meet all these, the big guys. We're using the Allites because quality, one is needs the quality, we need those flashlights at that time. So as you can see, they say charge before activating, so it's good. Allite flashlights has to be with the magnetic, very easy to charge. As you can see, very satisfying, right? And every single detail. So look at this quality wise. Let me open it and see. So now they did very good stuff. The before Allite flashlight, it comes with this magnetic, like very easy, but you lose this, that's it. You have to order another one. Right now they have USB-C charger, the fast charger, so you can charge the USB. Now we have a dial here, and you have a multiple. In the pictures, it's going to be just a flashlight, the wide beam, high beam, or long throw, and also we have a UV on this flashlight. Last thing I have to show it is the UV light performance, right, at the dark. As you can see, you can find a lot of good stuff when you have a UV light. Alright, without UV light, you don't see nothing. With the UV light, you can find a lot of good stuff. Alright, it's on, it's off, and the brightest. How cool is that? So every time we click this, so this is going to be a regular flashlight, and every time I turn on and the press and hold, it's going to be multiple here, tiny LEDs. It's going to go up and down, press and hold. It's going to be how much power you want to output, right? So it's going to be 3 different outputs in the turbo mode. We're going to move to the infrared, and also it has 3 different options on the infrared. It shows on the circle here, and this is a wide beam. It's going to be multiple outputs already bright. So looking to the lens, Allite is microscopic lens here compared to these guys. LEDs is, I think the Allite LEDs is 10 times smaller than these guys, and this one is a huge LED, large LED. They advertise like 35,000 or something lumens, right? It's a crazy lumens they advertise, but the Allite is always a tiny microscopic lumens, but the LEDs, but they have highest quality LEDs. Also we have on this one the laser pointer. Laser pointer is very nice and long if you want to use the laser pointer. Really good. We're gonna go to woods and we're gonna shine, and we're gonna compare with these giant flashlights and how much power output. This one's gonna put, I think that this one is almost the same price, but the Allite quality, Arc Pro, you touch it, you feel it. This is one of the best thing you can, if you have men, son, brothers, husband, one of the best gift. If you don't know what kind of gift you buy, any holidays, if you buy this, you're gonna give them, he's gonna hold like this all the time. He's gonna enjoy that. One of the best flashlight you have. Even this pocket holders right here, you can put this side or upside down, so it goes to both sides. The buttons, quality, when you see the quality, you will feel it while you're paying the money. All right, let's go outside and take a look. I absolutely forget to show turbo mode on this flashlight. Double click, it's gonna be super bright. And as you can see, entire backyard. All right, so this one is going to be this mode. This one's going to be again regular mode. All right, turbo mode. It is super bright, and as you can see, torch is coming to the sky from this tiny flashlight. That's great. And this is regular mode. Double click, it's going to be turbo mode. Yeah, that's a lot of light for the tiny flashlight like this. So now, as you can see, Arc Pro has a multifunctional flashlight and all-in-one. Like you have a laser, you have a wide beam, a long beam, and this is the modes they have. I'm gonna give you a more detailed, cleaner the shot here, so you can pause the video and take a look what kind of modes and how many minutes. The longest is 134 minutes, 280 minutes, and 11 hours. SOS mode, and the 39 hours at the 5, it's the lowest brightness. It's gonna have 39 hours, almost 40 hours light output. So it's gonna be a couple days, right? You can use this flashlight. It's great, and only while using it at the night, like 3 hours, so it's gonna last a lot. And the lowest brightness is gonna be like a cell phone flashlight, right? So as you can see, surprisingly great output. You can do a lot of stuff with this flashlight, and you're gonna have always with you. And the problem with this flashlight, you want to order another one, and every time they launch the new products, you will love it to order it. Thank you for Allite to sending me these products. As you can see, I compare this. It's not the way behind from this giant flashlight, not pocketable, not holders. It's very heavy flashlights, but this one's going to be in your pocket all the time. When you need it, you have it. All right, great product from Allite. Thumbs up. See you on the next video.